you're being so lazy? You already know what you need to do. These weeds do what they need to. This world doesn't care what's fair. Sometimes you've gotta plant yourself in the cracks. When you think you've lost the reins, when you think you're going insane, just remember, you don't always have to listen to your brain. Once someone tells you you got to go, but you're tied down in your soul, just keep it in mind that there was a time when people lived slow. Your little daisy eyes can't see over the cornrows. You shouldn't judge a lake by the first dip of your toes. Oh, please believe me, won't you wait and see that someday soon you'll change your tune and find that honeybee. Oh, hey there, little daisy, why you being so lazy? You already know what you need to do. Yeah, hey there, little daisy, why you being so lazy? You already know what you need to do. Whoa, whoa, whoa.